So what's in the co-op? Before I tell you what's in the co-op system, I want to tell you who this co-op system is not for. Hello friends, guess you're all doing great. Now today I want to talk about how you could use a co-op system to earn you a stable income. Now in this channel I produce regular videos of how you could make money online and how you could earn a stable income doing so. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you could hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay notified. So now what's a co-op system? In simple terms, a co-op system is when people come together to achieve a common goal or to meet a target. And I like to think of a co-op system like a snowball. Okay, to make a snowball, you put snowflakes together, compress it, and you could use it to hit a target. What happens if you just pick up snow from the ground and throw it? It's not effective. But if you compress it into a snowball, you could hit a target. So that's what a co-op system means to me. And that's the power of a co-op system. When I started my journey as an online entrepreneur, I struggled for 6 months before I made my first dollar. I did all the things the gurus were saying, but their information was not complete. They always wanted to upsell me, and I even bought into some offers that were done for you, but they didn't work for me because they were outdated. The social media engines had updated the algorithms, so they didn't work for me. So I basically had to figure things out for myself, and after 6 months of intense searching, scrambling for information, looking for reviews, comparing and contrasting, trying to find out what's real, what's working, what's not, I've been able to find what's working. Okay, and I decided, why do I keep this information to myself? If I'm helping you, I'm helping myself too, because under the co-op system, it's just like the snowball. Like I think people with mutual interests achieve more than just one. Co-op system is not one person, it's people with mutual interests coming together to achieve a common goal. So what's in the co-op? Before I tell you what's in the co-op system, I want to tell you who this co-op system is not for. This co-op system is not for you if you don't like working with people. This co-op system is not for you if you don't want to expand your business and you already have what's working for you online. If you have what's working for you online, stick to it, be committed to it, and give it a go. Keep optimizing. This co-op is not for people who want to be self-made. There's some people who just want to achieve success all by themselves. They want to earn it. They don't want help from anybody. They don't want any team effort. They want at the end of their success to say, yes, I did it. Now, this co-op is not for you if you like working alone. So who is it for? This co-op is for you if you want to expand your existing income streams. It's for you if you are struggling as an entrepreneur to try and make sales with affiliate offers. It's also for you if you're an entrepreneur and you're looking for legit ways of making money online. This is who it's for. So with that being said, what's in the co-op? Now there are a couple of programs in the co-op, and to keep this video evergreen, I'll leave that in the description below for future updates. How it works. Now to join the co-op, you hit the get started button, update your affiliate details into it, and that's it. Now the co-op system is just more than that. So we're not just helping you get signups. That's just to give you traction. We're going to be part of a community where we'll constantly see what's working within your niche, and we help you optimize. We share information amongst the co-op members, and you always stay up to date to what's working and how you could make the system better. It is said, give a man a fish, feed him for a day. Teach him to fish, feed him for a lifetime. Under the co-op system, we give you the fish and we teach you to fish. I didn't have this back in the days. If I knew of this co-op opportunity when I started out, I would not have struggled online. Think about it, guys. We help you to get paid signups, and you get community support to keep the signups coming. What could be better than that? Except I have zero interest for residual earnings and recurring commissions, I wouldn't pass up this opportunity. So check it out for yourself today and you'll be glad you did. So this is where I draw the curtain for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it. So till I see you in another video, keep winning. So this is where I draw the curtain. So this is where I draw the curtain. So this is where I draw the curtain for today.